In this video, we will know that how to fix missing Enroll Now option on Windows 10. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, first method is type under search box regedit. And after that click here run as administrator option. After that guys, click here current user key and expand it. And after that click here software, expand it. And after that guys, click here Microsoft option. Okay, under software, expand it, scroll down and find here Windows NT, expand it, click here current version. Okay, expand it and click here Windows. Okay, and expand it. After that click here consumer ESU. So guys, if there are no any key for consumer ESU, you can create manually. Okay, if there are no consumer key, right click on this Windows, right click on Windows and after that click key, new key and create this key if there are no any key consumer. Okay, if there are no consumer key, you can create manually here. Right click on it and rename it and type same. Okay, if there are, create same as it is. So we have already, so we delete it. After that click here this option and guys, after that you can see here there are two keys. So guys, you create this key manually if there are no this key. Right click on it and click here Dword 32 and type same name as it is. This is name. This name, copy and create this same key. We have already this key, so I just show you how to create. Now create same. Okay, so we have already, so we delete it. Same create second key if there are no any key. Dword 32-bit. Same name with the same name. Copy this, rename. Okay, create this key also. So we have already, so we delete it. So guys, there are should be two key and after that right click on it and modify it. Modify and value data 2. Set here value data 2 and click here OK button. So there are two and same as it is second, modify, right click on it and modify and set here value data 1 and click here OK button and close this and restart your system. After that guys, after login on your window, check your option. Now guys, click here start button, click here settings and click here Windows and security. You can see here your option get back here. Okay, enroll now. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.